name is CL21. Been a long time coming, but we're here now. And we about to set the roof on fire, baby. You better get yours, 'cause I'm getting mine.
Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, tribal dancers, dito kayo sa aking tabi. Teka muna, baka may masabitan ng ano. Takot ako eh. Okay, tribal dancers, pakinggan natin ang sasabihin ng ating talent scouts. Tuesday, ano sa tingin mo?
Nakakaloka! Gusto ko ng ganyang talent! Nakakaloka! Ayan yung sinasabi siguro ni Miss Sherina Glitch. Yung talagang may sparkle kayo. Pagpasok nyo, kinakanta niyo yung song nyo. Yung kembot nyo, feel na feel nyo talaga. Tapos natuwa ako sa'yo nung pagpasok mo yung, hindi ako natatakot. Kahit masunog ako, okay lang. Ganon. Ang saya-saya mo lang, ganon. Tapos ikaw, ang sexy mo, yung nasa gitna, yung naka-red. What's your name? Zam. Zam. Oh, so, sorry. Zam ang pangalan niya. Bongga kayo, pwede ko kayo i-book actually. Punta kayo sa bahay. Mag-ano tayo doon. Mag-party tayo, mag-fire party. Para masaya. Panalo.
Thank you very much, Tuesday. Tama. Okay, Cherie.
Tama. That's what I call entertainment. And also pleasure to watch. Sabay-sabay sila. Mahirap pa sabayin yung i-coordinate yung fire. They are having fun. They all look lovely. Music is young. They're young. Woman power. Brave.
Thank you very much, Cherie. Direk.
Gusto ko yung outfit nila kasi hindi na sila tribal dancers. Urban dancers na sila. Urban na. Oo, parang gano'n na dating. At saka nag-iba yung look nila, yung hairstyles. Yun, I was telling the girls kanina, magagaling yung mga kalaban ngayon, no? But, you know, sometimes you base a champion on an overall act. Magaling na yung talent, may konsepto, may costumes, may entertainment, may showmanship, andyan na lahat eh. So you know what? I think you're gonna go home richer today.
Tama!
Thank you very much, Direk Oidi. Maraming salamat, talent scouts. Tribal dancers, please move to the right of the stage because it's time to call back in your challenger, si Magdesanto. Magdesanto, the block splitter, is up against our 4-week defending champion. Now, ang tanong will the tribal dancers be our 4th Hall of Famers? Mabiting kaya ang kanilang pagangat dahil sa talentong ipinakita ni Crisanto, the tension-packed finale sa pagbabalik ng pinakamalaking talent show on local television.